Zug with a win in their sails finally. Cross towards Kubalik. Ricochet, they score! It was an attempted pass by Tatar. Hit a skate, I think, maybe of the Luleå goal scorer Eriksson into the top corner past Vard. Tomáš Tatar making his debut in the competition. You see it here. Oh, nothing Vard could do. And I do believe it was off Eriksson right there. Huh. Zug, 2-1.
Tomáš Tatar meanders down the left wing. Former NHLer surveys his options, ladles to the left point. Rafi Diaz, another former NHLer. Here's Tatar shooting and scores. With EV Zug in desperate need of a tally, Tomáš Tatar provides.
4 minutes to go, second period. Here's an opportunity on the left wing. Just onside. Dusting it off. Now a lateral pass. Working it for a shot. Deflected. Scores! They've tied the game. Tomáš Tatar with a beautiful backhander. Where he was denied earlier. That one, no question about it. Watch this move. To the middle. Picks his spot before the goalie could even move over. That's a lovely backhander. And it actually deflected off the body of Svoboda.